Only on RTV6, a couple paying their mortgage faithfully on time found themselves unable to open the door to their townhouse.
They were locked out of their Hamilton County property. Call 6 investigator Rafael Sanchez joins us with what every homeowner needs to know. Rafael.
Todd and Erica, good evening. The family called the company that locked them out of their Hamilton County home. And though their mortgage loan is current and not due until the year 2033, they were led to believe that they were in foreclosure.
Walking up to 11889 Estee Way is easy. Trying to get in is what led to a family emergency in Hamilton County.
How is this possible? I don't know.
Michael, who asked us not to use his last name, found this notice on his front door in April from Safeguard Properties. It works with mortgage lenders in securing homes being returned to the banks. Safeguard's posting alerted the father of three that all persons entering this property provide an explanation of their visit, sign and date the form, even though Michael was up to date on his mortgage payment.
Our lender changed the locks on us.
Did you ask them to?
We did not ask them to. That's the glitch and that's the problem, and that's why we're hoping you can help.
Beyond the locks, Michael says his utilities were temporarily disconnected.
We try and do everything honestly, up and up, put everything out front. And it's been tough. It's been very, very stressful. It's been very hard.
That's why the family hired a lawyer to deal with their mortgage servicer, Green Tree Financial.
The woman told me, and this is something I will never forget, honestly. She told me that they were the mortgage company, and if they wanted to change your locks, they could.
Is this out of the ordinary?
This is something I've never heard of. Ever.
Ever?
Ever.
First time?
First time I've ever seen something like this.
The Call 6 investigators found foreclosure fiascos which caused headaches and heartaches around the country. In 2009, a Kansas City man was notified his home was in foreclosure, though he was current, and his loan was up in 2032. In 2010, a Fort Lauderdale, Florida home was foreclosed, even though the owner did not have a mortgage. In 2012, a California couple was distraught when a bank subcontractor removed all valuables to satisfy the foreclosure. The wrong home was targeted.
You're not at the whim of the bank.
Jenny Beller oversees the state's homeowner protection unit, which keeps lenders in line. Under state law, a homeowner must get 30 days notice before a foreclosure is filed in court. Lenders must encourage their customers that free foreclosure counseling is available. After a foreclosure is filed, a homeowner has 30 days to request what is known as a settlement conference. That's a one-on-one exchange with the lender with the goal of coming up with a resolution. Only after a foreclosure sale does the eviction process begin.
A lot of consumers just want to ignore the legal process and hope that it goes away.
But it doesn't go away.
But it doesn't go away.
Back in Carmel, Michael hopes this does not happen to anyone else. And his lawyer is also concerned for those who don't seek legal representation in these cases.
What is going on? Usually, once the attorney calls, the Red Sea parts, and things are resolved.
That's what we thought would happen. And in this case, I don't know if they don't want to admit they made a mistake.
Well, after a 2-month nightmare, Michael got access to his home just last month. He's either hoping to sell or rent his property. He just hopes not to see any more foreclosure notices on the front door.
I'd say it seems outrageous. Has the family filed a lawsuit?
The lawsuit has filed a lawsuit. It is pending in Hamilton County.
So what about the companies, Rafael?
We did reach out to both Safeguard Properties, who put the notice on the door, and to Green Tree Financial. Neither is willing to comment pending that litigation. But we'll keep on top of it. We want to know exactly what happened in this case.
Exactly. All right. Thank you, Rafael.